Green juices and green smoothies have become a staple in so many of our lives in recent years, but it can be quite messy if you're using a juicer with its traditional parts and pieces that are difficult to clean, hard to put together and take apart. So I'm going to show you today how to do a really great green juice in the blender jug. This will save you a little bit of time and washing up, and also you get the benefit of the fiber from these fruits and vegetables that you don't normally get with a traditional juicer. If you want to strain some of that pulp out as well, you can do that as well really easily by using one of our nut bags to push it through, or just an everyday sieve. It can be difficult to find a good green juice or smoothie recipe and difficult to balance ingredients when you don't have a good template. So I always like to put a lot of veg in there, balance it with a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of acid, and adding something like ginger, not just for flavor, but really good anti-inflammatory properties in there too. For today's juice, I'm gonna go with celery, and I'm gonna put those leaves in too because we're so used to throwing things like that out and there's just no reason. They're actually really good for you and really tasty. As well as the celery, I've got some green apple, some cucumber, that ginger that I mentioned before, and I'm gonna go in with some lemon for acidity as well. Into the blender jug, put half a cup of filtered water, 3 stalks of chopped celery plus their leaves, 1 roughly chopped cucumber, 2 roughly chopped Granny Smith apples, 1 lemon with the skin and seeds removed, and a centimeter cube of ginger. You could also add some ice. Blend on smoothie mode for around 50 seconds or until completely combined. Then if you want to strain the pulp out, simply pass it through a nut bag or a regular sieve and then pour the juice over ice. This will give you 2 serves, or you can drink one and keep the rest for tomorrow. So there you go, a perfectly balanced, healthy green juice for you to enjoy. That's the pulp that I passed through that sieve. Of course, you can just drink that. That's really good for you, great fiber. Or you could keep that. A really good way to use it is in your baking. Put it through a muffin mix and it'll give you a really nice apple-y celery flavor. So there you go, another way to use your blender at home to make yourself something fresh and healthy. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our videos coming up. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us. Put your favorite green juice or smoothie recipe in the comments section below. I know that's always valuable for people like me who run out of green smoothie ideas. And we'll see you again really soon in our next recipe video.